यहाँ भारत का गाना कुछ कुछ होता है बहुत ही लोकप्रिय है। आज मैंने इस पर कहा कि जब भारत और इंडोनेशिया साथ मिलकर चलते हैं तो कुछ कुछ से भी आगे बढ़कर बहुत कुछ होता है।
Not at a film event, not during an award show, and not at a Bollywood celebration. One of Indian cinema's most iconic film titles echoed on an international stage as Prime Minister Narendra Modi mentioned Kuch Kuch Hota Hai during his address in Jakarta, Indonesia. The unexpected Bollywood reference instantly grabbed attention online, and soon after, filmmaker Karan Johar had an emotional reaction. Speaking about the deep cultural ties between India and Indonesia, Prime Minister Modi highlighted how Indian cinema continues to enjoy immense popularity in the Southeast Asian nation. While addressing the gathering, he said the song Kuch Kuch Hota Hai is loved in Indonesia. Then came a clever play on words. Modi said, when India and Indonesia move together, it's no longer just kuch kuch, it becomes bahut kuch. The line drew applause from the audience and quickly made its way across social media.
यहाँ भारत का गाना कुछ कुछ होता है बहुत ही लोकप्रिय है। आज मैंने इस पर कहा कि जब भारत और इंडोनेशिया साथ मिलकर चलते हैं तो कुछ कुछ से भी आगे बढ़कर बहुत कुछ होता है।
The viral moment didn't go unnoticed by the man who created the film. Karan Johar took to Instagram stories to share the Prime Minister's speech. Clearly moved by the mention, the filmmaker wrote, "Elated and honored to have our esteemed Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji speak about Kuch Kuch Hota Hai in Jakarta. There is indeed a language that transcends all. It's love. Thank you for embracing and making this song live forever." For Karan, it wasn't just a mention, it was a reminder that nearly 28 years later, the film continues to connect people across borders. Released in 1998, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai marked Karan Johar's director debut. Produced by his father, the late Yash Johar, the film starred Shah Rukh Khan, Kajol and Rani Mukherjee in lead roles. Salman Khan made a memorable extended appearance, while Sana Saeed won hearts as Little Anjali. The film became one of the biggest blockbusters of its time. Its songs topped charts, its dialogues became pop culture staples, and its fashion, from friendship bands to Rahul's sweatshirts and Anjali's sporty look, defined an entire generation. Even today, the title track remains one of Bollywood's most recognizable songs worldwide. The Prime Minister's reference also reflects something much bigger, the growing global influence of Indian cinema. From Shah Rukh Khan's worldwide fan base to Bollywood songs playing at international weddings, Indian films continue to bridge cultures and connect audiences beyond language. And in Indonesia, that connection clearly remains as strong as ever. Nearly 28 years after its release, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai is still making headlines, not because of a re-release, not because of a sequel, but because its title found a place in a Prime Minister's diplomatic address on foreign soil.
यहाँ भारत का गाना कुछ कुछ होता है बहुत ही लोकप्रिय है। आज मैंने इस पर कहा कि जब भारत और इंडोनेशिया साथ मिलकर चलते हैं तो कुछ कुछ से भी आगे बढ़कर बहुत कुछ होता है।
A moment that reminded everyone some Bollywood classics truly never fade. For more news and updates from the world of showbiz, stay tuned to Times Entertainment.